In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix World app account exists on this device. So if you're seeing account exists on this device or similar error on your World app or WorldCoin, it means the app thinks they already verified an account tied to your device, and for security, they won't allow you another one. So in that, World app limits one verified account per device as a security measure, so do take note of that. If the device was used to create or verify some World app account previously, even if you don't remember it, this typically happens. If you're trying to create a new account rather than restore it using an existing one, it also triggers this restriction. So to fix this, you can actually log into the existing account that you have or restore it by backup, and make sure you have the account's phone number linked and backup set up through this case. So from in there, you can also delete and reinstall your actual World app itself, and you can also contact support if all things fail. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.